as per the blueprints of plinth beam. The size of plinth beam 1 is 10 inch by 15 inch. Let's check if it's correct or not. This length is 10 inch and this length 15 inch. The cover of plinth beam is 1 inch for both the sides. We used two 16 mm steel bars and one 12 mm steel bar for top side and three 12 mm steel bar for bottom side. As per data given in the drawing, we use two extra reinforcement in the start, center and in the end. Let's check the spacing between two reinforcement. At the center the spacing is 7 inch and we use 8 mm steel bar. Here the distance between reinforcement is 5 inch and here the distance is 7 inch. This is stirrup. We use this alternatively to distribute the heavy load. It bends in 135 degree. Let's see how it looks.